Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the best way to clean your windows at home. So if you're looking for some cleaning tips on getting your windows streak-free and sparkling, then you're in the right place. Now let's cut to the chase here. The best way to clean your windows the majority of the time that has pretty much blown all the other options out of the water, things you might have heard of in the past like cleaning your windows with newspaper and all those chemical products that you can find in shops today, is actually to use two dedicated window cleaning cloths. One to get rid of the dirt and one to dry. These window cleaning cloths look a little bit like regular microfiber cloths, but I wouldn't recommend using one of these because they are slightly different. The window cleaning cloths have a very close weave, so they don't tend to hold too much debris, whereas you have to be careful with microfiber cloths because they tend to cling to things and you can then be scratching your windows with little bits of debris that are stuck in the cloth. So let's just talk through the technique. First of all, you want to wet one of your window cleaning cloths and then you can use this to remove the dirt. Now, make sure that you use a Z motion rather than a circular motion because this means that you won't reintroduce the dirt as you go. Now, depending on the size of your window, you may need to rinse your wet cloth out as you go to ensure it continues to be clean. But once you've done that over your entire window space and you're confident that you've removed the grime and dirt, then you're ready to dry off using your dry cloth. And you can use the same technique for ease. Use the Z technique again and go over your whole window until you're sure that it's dry. And that's really key to making sure that you don't get those streaks. But there are a few other things that you need to know. One top tip is to avoid cleaning your windows on a really sunny day, as while it shows up the dirt well, it also makes your windows dry really quickly, which can cause streaking. So all of that is well and good for your average everyday window cleaning maintenance kind of job. But if you're in a situation where you've got really, really dirty, greasy windows, perhaps you've got a pet or a toddler who wipes their greasy hands on there, wipes snot on there, and you've got hard-baked grease on there, or maybe you've got things like building sand and there's been jobs going on and you've got that baked on as well, then actually, if you try and attack it just using those two window cleaning cloths, it could be quite exhausting and you may not get everything off. So there's a couple of other tools and products that you may need to introduce in this case. Number one is our trusty non-scratch scraper. Now, if you're a regular viewer of this channel, you would have seen this make several appearances in some of my other videos. This is honestly one of the most useful cleaning tools you can have in your house because it helps you to remove that hard baked on dirt without scratching things. So I use it in my oven, on my oven trays, lots of things like that. It is really, really effective. So this can be used where you've got, for example, that hard baked on, we've got sand and cement on here. I can just gently scratch away at that without actually ruining the integrity of the windows themselves. Make sure you wet the area first and then hose off or spray down afterwards to avoid the loosened cement from scratching the glass. So as I said earlier, for your everyday window cleaning, actually water and those cleaning cloths are perfectly adequate and will do a great job. But if you do have a lot of grease that you need to cut through, then you might want to consider a window cleaning product, in which case I would look for one that includes degreaser, because that's probably the purpose of introducing the chemical in the first place. This one we've been using and it works quite well for all our toddler-related smears over our windows. There's others on the market, but I would definitely just say that's probably the one thing that you want to make sure that it's got. And once you've finished your window cleaning, just make sure that you wash any cloths that you've used so they're ready for next time and you're done. So that's it. That's my video on the best way to clean your windows at home. If you found this video useful, please do let me know in the comments down below and feel free to share any of your own window cleaning tips that you find useful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and come back very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.